This is the Kospet Optimus Pro. It's a sweet Android 7.1.1 smartwatch with all the typical applications, your step count information, your notifications of pushes from the phone, a complete app drawer with a lot of fun stuff automatically built into it, and fitness section as well. The fitness is not integrated with the GPS, however, so you're not able to track anything like runs and walks and cycling and hiking against GPS. It uses pedometer. For now, there should be a firmware update coming later. And with an 8 gigabyte camera on the side, it supports photography and also has a thing called long standby, which is a new bracelet mode in these dual processor watches you can get to from the app or from pressing and holding here. You can activate an always time option, which will keep the time screen on if you have it turned on, and when you switch to it you have access to 3 different screens. The first being the time screen with heart rate, steps walked, and calories burned. Another press gets you to your fitness information, and finally a heart rate screen. It's a sweet watch, carbon fiber construction, nice TPU band, and available right now. Check it out, the Kospet Optimus Pro.